Please, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Dr. Paulo Malo. Doctor, how are you?
Thank you very much.
You know, it's a great moment that we finally get an opportunity to sit down with you face to face, and I couldn't tell you how many questions we have. So let's just begin with, where were you born, where were you educated, and how did you come to be such a celebrity in the world of dentistry?
Well, I was born in Angola, and then I started my education in South Africa, in Cape Town, the first. I started doing biology over there. And then I finished my education. Basically, I did medicine and dentistry in Lisbon, Portugal.
Okay.
So this is my background.
What do you think the main ingredient of your success has really been?
If you work with quality, you have success. Now, the thing is this, one thing is to have success, another thing is to have the success that we enjoy today, which is a huge success. Huge success can never be achieved without innovation. Take any company in the world you want, just hard work and just quality is not enough to make #1 in the world. You need to have something that the others do not have, and that we have, of course, achieved, and that is the reason we have such a high success. Innovation.
It's not usual to find a really great dentist and at the same time also a fantastic entrepreneur. So where did this entrepreneurial thing come from? Your dad, your mom? What was it?
Well, entrepreneur is something that came to me because I was forced to.
Okay.
Okay. I'm an oral surgeon,
yeah,
and a dentist, oral surgeon. And then what happened was that due to the success that we had by doing things, especially in the field of dental cosmetics and implantology, in implantology we do things that others don't do. And because of the success, I was forced to start taking care of business.
And all because of a sincere devotion to be able to bring the best of medical science to each and every one.
Research and hard work.
Research and hard work. On that note, we'll just take a short break. Don't go away, we'll be back with Dr. Malo. Radio, welcome back with Dr. Malo from the Malo Clinic. It's opened its doors, as you know, and in the heart of the Venetian Casino in Macau and on the doorsteps of China. Welcome back, Dr. Malo.
Thank you.
Why Macau?
Why Macau? That's a question everybody asks. Well, you see, that is a question that will take about 1 minute to answer. First of all, we are all over the world. We were not in Asia. So we decided to have a Malo clinic in Asia. Why do we want to come to Asia? Obviously because our type of quality, our type of procedures, what we represent, what we do, is not available in Asia. Okay. So obviously we need to come to Asia. It was the last region of the world that we were not present. Macau was, in those days, and still today, there's a lot of Portuguese around in Macau.
Sure.
Some of these patients are already my patients. Okay. They're going to Europe. The fact that we can bring European doctors into this facility, and American doctors, is very easy for us because we have a hospital license, so we can bring in doctors from Europe. That would be much more difficult to find it in Hong Kong. Mm-hmm. So, and then the Venetian was presented to us, say, listen, we would like very much to make the biggest spa in the world, because this is the biggest casino in the world. Why not making a huge medical center? That's why we came to Macau.
Good, but it brings me to another question, Doctor. do you really think, what made you convinced that the market was ready for a product like this?
Right. That was the other obstacle. When I said to my people, I said, listen, this is the time we need to go to Southeast Asia, and then we go to Macau.
Okay.
In those days, Macau was not on the table, it was Hong Kong. So everybody said, you're crazy, because the market is not ready yet. And I said, exactly. That's why I want to go.
Okay.
Because the market is ready when we start announcing what they don't have. When the market is ready, we have a lot of people not doing what we do, of course, but doing something similar, which means that our entrance in that market will be much more difficult. It's much more difficult for me to start a clinic in New York or anywhere else in Europe or in Japan than to start here. Because here, quite honestly, for the quality work and for what we do not have competition. Not at all.
Okay.
It's about having the best equipment in the world. It's about having the best techniques, about having the best products. Everything together is service. You can be the best doctor in the world. If you provide a bad service, you do not have success. And vice versa. You can provide a huge service, a beautiful service, but you're a bad doctor. You're doomed.
That's true.
It's the combination. What the doctor does is service.
True.
So it's a combination of everything together. It's the details that matter. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and God bless you on everything that you're doing for the people of this world. And may everything you touch turn to gold.
Thank you very much.
That was Dr. Malo from the Malo Clinic, and all back to you now. Thank you so much.